Starting a business sounds exciting until you actually try it. Validate an idea, build the MVP, find customers, create a website. Most people don't fail because the lack of ideas. They fail because they get stuck between step 1 and 2. So I went for looking something that could simply tell me here's your next step. Then I found this tool.
Unlike other AI chatbot that gives you a blank conversation, it allows you to follow a structured startup building framework. It helps you discover ideas, validate them, and build your business and eventually launch all in one place. So let's jump in. So getting started is pretty straightforward. So once you're on this website, just click on get started for free button here. And now you have to create your account. You can just click on this continue with Google button. If you don't already have an account, just click on this sign up button and create your account from here. Now it will ask you some couple of the questions, so you can see first what should we call. So here you can just enter your name and next just click on this continue button. First it asks who really you are. So as you can see, it says what excites you most about starting a business, how do you typically make a decisions. So you need to select all of this. For example, which task do you enjoy the most, and we have when facing risk you tend to. Then we have your ideal work style, what do you value most? What describe you the best? How do you prefer to validate ideas? What's your strongest skill? And the last question we have here is how do you handle new challenges? So you have to fill all these questions. So I will just answer all of these questions, then I will show you the next. So as you can see, I have answered all the questions. Now I will click on continue button. And once you click on continue button, here you can see what do you already have. So here you can upload your LinkedIn or resume. You can see drag a PDF here, click to pick a file. LinkedIn profile, resources, save to PDF, and if you have some skills, you can add a skills here. And now we have, you can say industries you are curious about, like health, food and nutrition, education, finance, home, fashion. So I can select some of the industries, let's say retail, tech, and we can select the local service maybe. Then we can just click on the continue button, and now you can see why are you doing this. So we need to select a goal here. Why are we doing this? So you can see pick a goal that fits your best right now. You can change it anytime, and we will just select the impact, and then we will just click on continue button here. And now it asks if we already have an idea, so we will just click on help me find one, as I don't already have an idea. If you already have, you can just skip the idea generation part and you can jump straight forward to validating your idea. And now we'll click on continue button. Now you can see it says looks good. So you can see the architecture, goal, industry, skills. Now you can see it says you will generate your ideas. Now we'll just click on finish and enter, and now you can see we are enter on the main dashboard. Here we have complete details. Now we got a couple of options like today, journey, documents, resources, analytics, billings. Let's explore one by one. On the today section, you can see you are on step 1. Tell us more about you. Here's what to do next. We need to finish. Total there are 14 steps to finish here. Then we have the co-founder options. This is your co-founder. You can chat with this about your business. Every answer is based on your own work, the evidence you have gathered, and the decision you already made. So first of all, the first step is to complete your all 14 steps. So you can see here, this is the first steps, your founder profile. You can see I will suggest you to upload your resume or LinkedIn so it can learn more about you better. And if you need to add a skill here, you can add a skill like marketing, sales. So let's say I will do the sales part and I will just add a skill here. Then you need to enter experiment like your experience, job title, role, duration, and the education part. So I have not added any of these yet, but you can add to get more accurate results. Once you do it, it will also show you the old questions that you have answered if you want to customize them. Then we will just click on next, and now you can see we have all the preview here that we just submitted before. I will just go to the next step. Now you can see it's currently generating the complete ideas for you. You can see let's generate your current ideas. Now you can see it started to generating our ideas. So I will wait here until it generates the idea for us, then I will show you the next step. Now comes my favorite part. Based on your profile, it generates the startup idea that actually fits your background. Instead of giving you generic business ideas, it explains why each one matches your profile, what problem it solves, who is the target audience, and even the potential market opportunities. This makes choosing the right idea makes much easier because every recommendations already has context behind it. Now you can see we have an idea here like professional services firms, laws, accounting practices, and now we have the complete idea here. Now you can go to the step 3, which is like your competitors and the market. Here you can see your competitors, market size, related markets, and choose and focus. Then you can see here we have all the details right here. Then you can just go on to the next steps. They have lots of steps here. Once you select an idea, it layouts a complete roadmap for building your startup. Instead of wondering what to do next, every stage is already organized for you. You will move forward with researching competitors and validating demand to talking with customers, building your MVP, preparing your launch, and eventually growing your business. I like that it focuses on one step at a time instead of overwhelming you with everything at once. Now, obviously, I haven't completed 14 steps in this video. That's because it's not designed to be finished in one sitting. It's built to guide you over time as you validate your idea, build your product, and launch your business. The important part is every stage builds on the previous one, so you already know exactly what next step is instead of figuring out everything on your own. Like you can see, first step was to found a profile, next one was your ideas, third was your competitors and market, then it has demand and key risk. Then we have customer interviews, your validation score and decision, your business plan, your website, your first MVP, legal and admin setup, get your first customers, weekly insights and check-in. And now let's come to the other options we have here, like co-founder. I already described you, it's like your co-founder here. You can chat with it like I'm your co-founder, so like if you want to ask what should I focus on next, you can just ask it and it will give you a clear plan based on the everything you put and you're doing around here. Then we have the documentation part here. You can see here documentations as you continue build. It also generate useful business document for you, things like competitor analysis, market research, customer interview summaries, financial reports, business plans, and more, all organized inside this platform. So instead of juggling multiple tools and documents, everything stays connected to your startup journey. One thing I also like is that they are really actively working on this platform. The latest update brings a smarter idea pack, which research opportunities using signals from hundreds of real world sources to generate startup ideas that matches your skills and interest. Another big challenge is Another big change is that idea validation is now free. You can explore your market, test your assumptions, and they also introduced a fun tool called Roast My Idea, which gives your startup concept brutally honest feedback and points out of weakness before you spend months building something nobody wants. And finally, they are building a founder community where entrepreneurs can contact, share ideas, and get feedback, and eventually even find co-founders. Overall, I think it's a really interesting tool for the first time founders, solopreneurs, and anyone who want to start a business but doesn't know where to begin. Instead of giving you another AI chat window, it provides structure, keeps you track of your progress, and helps you move forward step by step. Of course, AI won't build a successful company for you. You will still need to validate your idea, talk to customers, and put in the work, but having a clear roadmap can save a lot of time and help you avoid common mistakes. If you would like to try this tool yourself, I will left link in the description box below. You can also use my code SHUB20 to get 20% off on your first 3 months. So definitely check that out if you're planning to build your own startup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tools and startup content. I will see you in the next one.